Mastering English Introductions, the use of professor. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to focus on a very important aspect of English introductions, namely the use of the title, professor. This is a formal title used in academia, and it's important to know when and how to use it appropriately. Let's delve into this interesting topic. The term professor is an academic title that is used to refer to a high-ranking university teacher or researcher. In an academic setting, it's very important to use the correct title when addressing someone, as a mark of respect for their qualifications and their position. When you're addressing a professor, you can say, for instance, Professor Smith. Remember, always use professor with the last name, unless you're told otherwise by the professor themselves. Now, let's learn how to use the term professor in a sentence. When you meet a professor for the first time, you can say, "Nice to meet you, Professor Johnson." "It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor Thompson." When you want to ask a professor a question, you could say, "Professor Lee, could you explain this concept to me again, please?" "Professor Patel, when is our next assignment due?" Notice that we always say professor, followed by the last name. When a professor introduces themselves to you, it's important to acknowledge the introduction properly. Here are a few ways you could respond. If a professor says, "Hello, I'm Professor Williams," you can respond by saying, "Professor Williams, it's a pleasure to meet you." "Nice to meet you, Professor Williams." And there you have it. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable and confident when interacting with professors in an English-speaking academic context. Using the correct title is crucial and can help you make a good impression. Remember, practice is the key. Try using professor in your conversations, and before you know it, it will come naturally to you. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. Until next time.